We're on January 31st, 2011, roughing it because of the blizzard. See, I have very little stuff here to live by in the next few days. I only have access to Netflix, no actual TV, except for the stream I have on JTV. Crap in here. The rest of the place staying in. See, just to work. Bathtub in here. Bathtub. It's all plastic. In case I happen to turn into Dexter and need to murder someone. There's plastic everywhere. Toilet not there. Alright. More updates coming later. I'm gonna get my Madden on. Some little party down on Netflix. Wi-Fi connection with only 2 bars. Really roughing it here. See you later.